Hey, my lovely students. Welcome back to another A1 English lesson with me, Mia. Today, I'm going to teach you something super useful, the most common questions in English. These are the questions people use every day in real life. And guess what? You don't need to know hundreds of words to sound natural. You just need to know how to ask the right questions. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to ask questions like, what's your name? Where are you from? Can you help me? How much is this? And what time is it? I'll explain each question slowly, give you clear examples, and leave time for you to repeat after me. Just like real conversation practice. We'll practice together step by step, and I promise by the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident asking questions in English, anywhere, anytime. You can use these in shops, at school, on the phone, while traveling, or when meeting new people. So here's what you need to do. Sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Repeat each question after me, and don't be afraid to speak out loud. This is how your brain learns. Practice every day with me, and you'll be amazed at how fast you improve. Let's make English a part of your daily life. And remember, you are not alone on this journey. You've got me, and you've got our playlists ready to help you every step of the way. So don't forget to check them out after this video. Ready? Let's learn the most useful questions in English together. All right, my lovely students, let's begin with our first question. Question 1. What's your name? This is usually the very first question we ask when we meet someone new. It's short, simple, and polite. Say it with me. What's your name? You can answer with, my name is Mia. Try it with your name. Question 2. Where are you from? This question helps you learn where someone lives or was born. It's very common in friendly conversations. Repeat after me. Where are you from? You can answer, I'm from Turkey. Or I'm from Brazil. Now your turn. Say your country. Question 3. Do you speak English? You can use this when you meet someone and you're not sure if they understand English. Ready? Do you speak English? You can say, yes, I speak a little. Or yes, I'm learning. It's totally okay to be honest. We're all learning. Question 4. Can you help me? Very useful when you're in a store, at the airport, or even just on the street. Let's say it together. Can you help me? And don't forget to say please. Can you help me, please? It shows you are polite. Question 5. What time is it? Perfect when you don't have a watch or your phone. Say it. What time is it? Someone might answer, it's 2 o'clock, or it's 5:30. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen for the number. Question 6. How much is this? You'll use this while shopping. Point to an item and ask, how much is this? You'll hear something like, it's $10, or it costs 15 euros. Repeat it a few times. Trust me, you'll use it a lot. Question 7. Where is the bathroom? Yes, it's a must know. Let's say it. Where is the bathroom? Or you can also say, excuse me, where's the restroom? Very helpful when traveling. Question 8. What do you do? This is a great question when getting to know someone. Say it with me. What do you do? That means, what is your job? You can answer, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher. Now try answering with your job. Question 9. What's your phone number? If you make a new friend, you might want to stay in touch. Say, what's your phone number? You can answer, it's 555-1234. Just say the numbers slowly and clearly. Question 10. What's your favorite? You can finish this question with anything. What's your favorite color? Or what's your favorite movie? It's a fun way to keep the conversation going. You did an amazing job today, my lovely students. These questions may look simple, but they are powerful. The more you listen, the more confident you will become. Now, here's what I want you to do. Pick 3 of these questions, say them out loud, and answer them in English. Every day, practice a little bit. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have full playlists made just for you to listen, practice, and improve step by step. Thank you for learning with me today. You're doing great. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.